Hi everyone, my name's Daniel Rusby. Today I'm going to be doing a reading for the collective consciousness. Today we're coming straight from Lake District, from our holiday. I'm going to use today the Whispers of Lord Ganesh cards. So we're asking for true, honest answers for the collective consciousness. And today's question is, how can we connect to nature in our lives? True, honest answers for the highest good of all. How can we connect to nature in our lives? True, honest answer. True, honest answers. How can we connect to nature in our lives? True, honest answers for the highest good of all, for the collective consciousness. So, past of our question. Generosity. Generosity. Compassion for others is a natural result of being aware and conscious of your own feelings. When you are generous in spirit, you take complete responsibility for your life. Work with Ganesh to assist you with stepping up to do the right thing. This is especially important when you are filled with fear and conflicting feelings. Respect others and live a conscious life. Champion others, support them and actively want them to succeed. Living from this space will create an open heart and mind that will touch anyone who comes into your presence. Be tolerant of ideas and behaviours that may not align with your own thoughts. Spend more time looking at what is good and positive in someone else rather than what you judge as negative or bad. Embrace others' differences. Give freely and from your heart. Choose to no longer manipulate and do not do favours with strings attached. As you continue to give, you may find that you no longer envy others. You will be able to easily and at the same time receive when the same is offered to you. This will go a long way to eliminating the feelings of being separated from others, and you may find yourself genuinely happy. Look for and assume the best in people and treat others with respect and acceptance. So that's the past, is generosity. The present of our question is capacity to love. Capacity to love. It takes courage to open up and heal areas of deep vulnerability. Every human individual is created with a profound longing to feel loved. Out of this need for love, you may exaggerate and parade your fascinating qualities, while masking your weaknesses or fears. If you are not committed to looking at your root issues, you will feel disconnected from your true self. Take a moment to look at how you're handling yourself. Are you being open and honest? Are you withdrawing from a situation? Are you making a problem with some sort of avoidance tactic, such as shopping, drinking, or eating excessively? Are you holding grudges? When your heart is open, you will find that your actions tend to match your words. You rarely get offended. You are emotionally available. When your heart is open, you truly take responsibility for who you are and what your beliefs are. You love yourself more completely. Conflict resolves more easily, and you have the desire to live in harmony with others. Ganesh's trunk represents the ability to consider how you are perceiving this situation, which is significant in your spiritual growth. An elephant's trunk is an important appendage that is used in its day-to-day functioning. It serves to remove trees and other large obstacles, as well as for more fiddly tasks such as breaking open fruits to eat. An elephant has a capability to handle a range of tasks from minute ones to those requiring great strength. In this way, Ganesh's trunk is an emblem of his great intelligence and his extraordinary capacity for love. Rely on your own vast array of abilities to tackle your problems and know that Ganesh is supporting you in this process. That's the present. And the future is revelation. Get ready for key changes in your external and internal worlds. You have come to the end of a cycle and it is time for you to create something new. Through this card, Ganesh is indicating that it's time to break down some of the structures that you have created in your world. This has the potential to feel painful and challenging if you resist the process. This revelation coming to you may relate to your ego and your illusion of separateness from others. You will develop a new perspective on things, and your revelation will help you to grow stronger, wiser, and more composed. You might encounter some challenges along the way, but these are necessary for your spiritual growth and enlightenment. Honesty will bring about a positive change, even if you experience some pain and anxiety through the process. When you begin to reach for your goal, you will come to realize that your true security and strength lie within yourself and your relationship with the universe. It's not some false belief system or artificially created world. Be willing to reveal your truth to those around you. This reading was sent with love, light and healing with the Lord Ganesh cards. Hope you're all staying safe. God bless, and I'll see you again tomorrow.